At Electro Soft, we're redefining electronics manufacturing as a trusted partner in powering tomorrow's technology. From printed circuit boards, cable assemblies, to wiring harnesses and box build enclosures, each product meets the highest standards of precision and performance, crafted with attention to detail at every step. Each one is tested to exceed industry standards. At Electro Soft, quality isn't just a step. It's built into every phase. Our rigorous quality control ensures each product meets or surpasses the most demanding requirements. From concept to completion, we're here to bring your vision to life. Electro Soft Incorporated. You can't manufacture that.